This video is about changing fractions into decimals. So if we think about a fraction, for example, 3/4, you might be used to thinking about 3/4 in this way. If this represents a whole one, we have to split it into four equal parts, and we're considering 3 of those 4 parts. So this would be 3/4. Now it's important to understand that 3/4 can also be thought of as 3 whole ones divided by 4. Let me show you why that's the same. If these represent whole ones, you've got 1 whole one, 2 whole ones, 3 whole ones, and I want to divide these whole ones into 4, so that, of course, from your understanding of division, would mean that I'm sharing these 3 whole ones between 4 people. I can do that by splitting them into quarters in the first place and then sharing them between 4 people, and we'll see what each person gets. So I can take that one, give that part to that person, and so on. Just keep sharing them out. You can see that after I've shared out the first whole one, everyone's got 1/4, and then I just do the same with the other whole ones. After I've shared out the second whole one, everyone's got 2/4, and once I've shared out the third whole one, everyone's got 3/4. So if I take 3 whole ones and share it between 4 people, everyone gets 3/4. So 3 divided by 4 is the same as 3/4. So the fraction line can be thought of as an operation, it's division. Once I understand that, to change 3/4 into a decimal just requires doing a normal division. So I ask, how many 4s go into 3? Well, none. Now remember from the previous video you saw that if I have a remainder, which I have in this case, I've still got 4 as a remainder, I can just start adding zeros, because 3 whole ones is 3 whole ones and no tenths. So I've got, my remainder here is 3, isn't it? 4s into 3 doesn't go, but I've got 3 left over. So now I think of 4s into 30. Well, that goes 7 times. 4 7s is 28, so my remainder is 2. I can add another 0, put the remainder there. So now 4s into 20 is 5. There's no remainder, so I've finished. So that means that 3/4 is equal to 0.75.